Hello everyone. So today we are here again. So today I have came with another question on Leetcode, which is find the duplicate number. So the difficulty level of this question is also medium, and it's very hard to develop intuition for this problem in the first time itself. If like it's very hard to solve this question if you haven't solved it before. So let's start by seeing what is given in the problem. So we have given an array of integers. So there are n plus 1 integers, and the range is 1 less than the number of integers. So we have one more position than the range of the integers. Like there is 1, there is 2, there is 3, there is 4, but there is no 5 here. But it should be there, but it's not there. So what it is automatically suggesting that one element in this array is getting repeated, and that we have to find that which element in this array is getting repeated. So in this array, the element which is repeating is 2. So our task is to return this 2. So how can we approach this problem? So one of the approach to solve this problem is using hash chat. So we will traverse in the array one by one, and we will check if this element is in the hash chat. If it is not, we will put that in the element, and if it is in the hash chat, we will return false. We will not return false, we will return 2, because this element is coming next time. So but that solution will take extra space as well, that is linear space, omega of n space. But what we want to do, we want to solve this question in constant space. So how can we do that? We can do that by using Floyd algorithm. uh, so let's see what is Floyd algorithm. So let me jump to the screen. So this is the array that we have given in the first case, that is 1 3 4 2 2. So just forgot the element, just see them as a pointer. So this one is pointing to 3, and this 3 is pointing to 2, as 3 is the index and it is pointing to 2. So what we have to do, we have to convert this array in the cycle linked list, because that in the cycle in a linked list there is a problem in which we have to detect whether a linked list have a cycle or not. So if we can convert this into cycle linked list, then it will easy to solve this problem. So that's what we are going to do. So 1 is pointing to 3. We can also say the 0th index is pointing to 3, and the 3 is pointing to 2. This element will not come into the cycle, so that's why we can take 1 or 0. And 3 is pointing to 2, 3 is pointing to 2, and 2 is pointing to 4, 2 is pointing to 4, 2 is pointing to 4, and 4 is pointing to 2. So this is the node that we have to find, and this is the start of the cycle, and this element we want to return. So how can we do that? So let's start coding. So we will take 2 pointers. First is slow. We will set it to 0. Now we will take the fast pointer. We will set it to 0th index of nums as well, 0th element of nums as well. So what we are going to do, we will, here is slow and here is fast. So let's take that in this one. Slow and fast both are in the same element first time. They are not pointing to the first currently, because nums 0 will be Yeah, they are pointing to 0. So first we will try to jump one step at a time using slow pointer, and we will jump 2 steps using fast pointer. So our slow pointer is covering one less distance than fast pointer, so eventually the fast and slow pointer will run sometime. Let's imagine a track, if you are not able to understand what I want to say. So suppose you are here and I am your friend is here. So you are running with a speed of 10 meter per second, and your friend is running with 20 meter per second. So in 1 second you will cover 10 meter and your friend will cover 20 meter. So you will, when you will able to cover the this circle, like suppose the circumference of this circle is 100 meter. So you will able to cover this in 10 seconds, and your friend will able to cover this in 5 seconds. So in 10 seconds you will be here again, and in 5 seconds your friend able to complete one circle, and another 5 seconds he will able to complete the another circle. So in 10 seconds you will meet again. So this is the concept we will going to use in this question as well. So let's start coding. So slow is pointing to 0th index and fast is pointing to 0th index as well. Now what we will do, we will assign a while and do loop. We will start while and do loop. First we have to do what we are going to do. We will move our slow pointer one step at a time. Nums slow and fast is equals to nums fast. Nums so now we have, let's comment it out. Slow is moving one step at a time, and fast is moving 2 steps at a time. So we are using that concept so that uh, eventually they will meet. And while slow does not equals to false, sorry, fast. Now what we have to do, so in phase 1 we just have to find where they are intersecting. Now in phase 2 we have just find they are intersecting at 2. In phase 2 we will start a slow pointer again from here, and we will start our previous slow pointer is here. So what we have to do, we have to take one step at a time from here and there, from here and there, and soon they will meet again. So will int slow 1 is equals to nums 0, int slow 2 is equals to slow. We are just taking this additionally. We can take slow as well. There is no problem in taking previous slow. Now we will try to run a while loop again, and while slow one does not equals to fast, sorry, slow 2, we will update our slow 1 to nums slow 1, taking one step at a time, and slow 2, again taking one step at a time, and we will return slow 1. Let's try to run this one. Okay, so test case is accepted. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video.